Hi everyone, these are the workout notes and the overview for Thursday, March 26th workout, which is 5 rounds for time of alternating dumbbell snatch, shoulder to overhead, and back burpees. Maria and I, you can see, have already done this workout. It took us between 16 and 20 minutes. And that is the intended time domain for today. Something that's a little bit longer than what we've been doing earlier in the week. 5 rounds, so you'll start it off and just go sustained. If you go too fast, you'll need to slow down and pace it. These rounds should be roughly 3.5 minutes a piece. If you're going at a pace where you can finish a round in 2 minutes, then you're either not going heavy enough or you scaled it too much. The movements that we're going to do today, I'm going to start with the back burpees first. The back burpee is as simple as lying down on the ground, getting totally stretched out, so elbows are straight, backs of the hands are on the ground, heels are on the ground, and knees are straight. And flexing at the hip, standing up fast, sitting down, and standing up fast. So you can see that there's a little bit of a squat if you have that range of motion. For some of you, you're going to need to get down on the ground and rotate to a side, and then maybe help yourself stand up, right? So if that's the case, you're not going to be doing 15 of them because it'll take you too long. Burpees are intended to take just over a minute to a minute and 20 seconds. You're probably going to use 2 dumbbells to do the shoulder to overhead. And if you only have a set of light dumbbells, you're going to start off by doing probably just strict presses. Right? If your dumbbells are heavier, you're going to have to push press or push jerk. Right? If you can get away with doing the 15 repetitions of shoulder overhead in one set, then your dumbbells are too light. If you can do it in one set, it means you should do half of the set with a push press, and then the remainder of the set just with a strict shoulder press. So that's the shoulder to overhead. And finally, we have the alternating dumbbell snatch. The dumbbell starts on the ground, right? You stand over it, and you're going to drive it from the ground all the way up overhead. Let the elbow get long and straight before you go right back down to the ground. You can extend the elbow right away, or you can come down to the shoulder and hinge over. So this is a rapid hip opener, followed by a float of the dumbbell, and you can receive it in a partial squat and stand, or you can muscle snatch it straight up overhead. Notice how the dumbbell stays close to the body on the way up and the way down. You'll also notice that my free arm is not resting on the knee. It's out to the side, and I'm using it for balance. Alternate for a set of 20. That means you'll get 10 on the right, 10 on the left. Then you're going to get shoulder to overhead. Now, some of you only have a single dumbbell or a single kettlebell. And if you only have a single, then you'll get 8 repetitions on one side before switching over and getting 7 repetitions on the other side. Belly tight, braced, lock out that elbow. Bring it back down to the ground. Again, since this is supposed to be one of the longer workouts of the week, it's intended to take 3 minutes or more. We'll do a strict cutoff at 20 minutes. If the workout's going to take you longer than 20 minutes, you went for either a load that was too heavy for you or too much volume. This workout is supposed to take somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes. All right, if you have any more questions or just to be more prepared to do the workout, please read underneath this video on the blog post. There's intended stimulus, general warm-up, a specific warm-up like taking you through basic dumbbell warm-up. It gives you workout notes and suggestions and hints and tips, and then it's a short finisher, meaning a short finish like a cool down and some stretching. So Thursday's workout, you can join us at 9 a.m. on Thursday morning, and we'll do it live together on Zoom. You can look for the link to that right up above